Hi, class. Well, I had a student tell me that they really missed the videos. So once I got an email, I think it was today from Cassandra, thank you, about the confusion on the child welfare assignment. I said, okay, I'm going to stop right here and do a video. Well, as you can see, I was working out. Um, I'm trying. And so let me clear up anything that you may be confused on. I'm looking at another computer over here when I look to the right. And so for the child welfare assignment, this is not a PowerPoint presentation, even though it says in your classroom you have chapter 13 and 14 presentations. That is what I have put out there for you to review. This is a paper assignment. With that being said, I'm still seeing a few of the same errors. You should not be talking about yourself and how you feel. This is a research-based profession and you are supposed to engage in research. If someone has not published information that you're commenting about, then you are not commenting about it. I was very diligent in responding to that with your presentation on human rights. Now, let me talk about that presentation that I just graded. And I think I've completed everyone's. This was supposed to be an in-depth research assignment. You were supposed to provide more than just a sentence or two about the problem that you saw in whatever particular area of the country it was. So I graded like a student that has completed a 300 level course, because this is 300 level and we only have 2 weeks to go. So with that being said, know that your research paper that is due on the 27th will be graded with extreme diligence, because I am grading that you are prepared to go to the next level, okay? I will not have any additional assignments out there for you, because you really need to get that paper. It really needs to be excellent, because I am grading it with that kind of rigor, okay? So I'm not going to put anything else out there. Now, you all had some confusion about the human rights discussion board. What typically takes place, and I did not explain it well, is that I grade your human rights presentation. Then I go back and I open up the discussion board so that you can post it. Having learned from previous errors, if I do it too far in advance, some students take the liberty of reviewing others' presentations before they do theirs. And I did not want that to happen. You should be credited with only the work that you do. Okay. Let me see. So some of the dates you all noticed may have been different from your calendar dates that is out there for you. And what I did was I adjusted some dates to give you more time. Even though you didn't rightfully know it at the time, I was giving you more time in between assignments, and that's why those dates are different. I will go back out there and open up the discussion board in the next couple of days so that you can post your presentations and respond to one another's presentations. Also, I will be posting the final exam in the next week. I will provide you with some type of study apparatus, and I won't say study guide, but it may be subject oriented for you to be able to complete. Okay, and as always, I cannot express enough. Do not wait until the last minute to post your assignments. Anything can happen. There can be any glitch, and it can be on our end. It can be just a break in the transformer across the street from Norfolk State University, and it affects the Wi-Fi system. Do not do that. The deadline, and I'm going to tell you all in a different fashion. When you receive a bill in the mail, the bill is due. They're giving you until that due date to get it to them, but the bill is due right then when you receive it. And that's how I post assignments. Start right then, okay? So many of you all, if you're asking the question about the child welfare assignment, I would not want you to give me a presentation in PowerPoint that you started today that's due tomorrow. So make sure that your work exemplifies the kind of character that you want to be known by, because that's exactly what your professors are doing when they take into consideration your questions, when your questions are that far apart from not specifically what I am engaging in on the PowerPoint, but that whether or not I even need to do one, meaning it hasn't been started. So just keep that in mind going forward. We want you to be as successful as possible, but we want you to be diligent and responsible. And I know there's work and there's life involved in between classes, but it's almost over. Okay? So for those of you all, I hope that we'll be moving forward in the program. Congratulations. We're almost there. Happy summer. Goodbye spring pollen. And all's well. Take care. Bye-bye.